We were just at we live in LA, so in Pasadena there was just an opening for a show of benevolent beings, and it's statues of gods and goddesses from India, Tibet, Southeast Asia, and we were really remarking on how many affectionate couples there are that are gods and goddesses, just affectionate couples. And we did not grow up with this image. You know, we have the lone male god, and okay, we'll throw in Mary if you're Catholic, but we have these lone male gods, and but we don't have this idea of affectionate couples. I mean, obviously in Tantra, there's Shiva and Shakti, and that their sexual union created the universe. But in Western culture, we have nothing just of, I mean, I had a client ask me once, is there such a thing as good couples at work? I mean, does that exist? Really didn't know. So to grow up with this image of, or to be in a culture that's steeped in couples, like you said, there's very little couples. It just to have this image and this knowledge that that's possible. It's not just the gold. It is the gold, one of the gold rings. Freud said, work and love. That's really all that matters. That is so profound. Even now when I say it, I think that's so genius. But work and love, we want that great relationship. We want a meaningful career. Some people want to be alone. That's fine too. But for many of us, it's like, yeah, those affectionate couples, that can be a divine image for us.
Yeah, that's really profound and staggering to think how few images of affectionate couples there have been in Western history and in the history of the monotheistic cultures in general. To have people for centuries or thousands of years never seeing an image of an affectionate couple, it's tragic.